These YouTube channels rake in millions of views making AI-generated shorts on history facts that you might have come across before, and make bank from monetization, generating a whopping average of $125,000 a year in revenue. So watch till the end as I teach you the secret to make them yourself easily using AI and make your own money in 4 steps. Let's create our script. Just copy my prompt template in the description and paste it to Chat-GPT. And change the topic or idea accordingly. I wanted a humorous touch to mine, and this is the script I got. We'll copy it and go ahead, but you can also just transcribe an already existing video using video highlight. To then copy that script and rephrase or modify it in Chat-GPT for a more guaranteed success. Let's generate images to go with this script using Leonardo AI for free. We'll head over to the site. Just copy my prompt template in the description and start generating all the pictures we'll need to go along with it. I would recommend using the Dreamshaper V7 model. This fact is about couples tied in sacks on the bed. To make our shot stand out and interesting, I will use the AI canvas to edit it to suit the scene. I'll be dropping a tutorial on it soon. Once we have all our images, we can go on to create our AI voiceover. Let's go to elevenlabs to sign up and select a voice from the selection here in the settings.
Logic will get you from A to B. Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
I like this one, it sounds wise. Paste the script we had generated in the text box and click generate. Make sure it sounds good.
Ancient love customs were like a box of chocolates.
And download it. We have all the pieces we need. Let's combine them using CapCut, a free video editor. Upload the voiceovers and images. Then add the voiceover to the timeline and cut out all the pauses.
Ancient love customs were like a box of chocolates. You never knew what you'd get.
Add all of our images in sequence to the script. And adjust these images to our voiceovers and on the screen if required. Now go to text and select auto captions. Then click create to add the captions. Let's select our font style from here. Comic X, it's the one that works for these channels. You can download the font if you don't have it. Now to have the text pop up one by one, we'll go to animation, captions and select pop up. Just adjust the size and position of the text on the screen and give it a check. To make it more engaging, we'll add some background music to suit our scenes on Pixabay, where you can easily find copyright-free music to add. I'll pick one for each of my facts. This one goes with my Egyptian scene, so I'll download it. Once done, import the background music and add them to the timeline, dragging them to where you need. You can also add sound effects from here, like I've added the sounds of swords clinking for the Vikings.
Fresh love. Spartans took.
And the surprise sound here.
Level with.
Go to animation and select the ones you want to add, and looping animations between the cuts. We'll especially use the pendulum.
Ancient love customs were like a
wave idle.
Ancient Egyptians believed in nature.
And the pan left animation.
18th century Japan, women blackened their
Once done, we'll add a clear filter to make it look crisp. And finally add a few effects to match the theme of the facts. I'll start off with the dizzy effect, then the sun effect for the Egyptian part, mist, and fire effect for the Vikings. Once done, let's click export and select 4K video resolution. Here's the video.
Ancient love customs were like a box of chocolates. You never knew what you'd get. Spartans took spicing up relationships to a new level with wife swapping Wednesday. It wasn't infidelity, but about building robust community bond. Bundling, a practice in medieval Europe where couples were tied into separate sacks, placed in the same bed.
You can check my results from the link below. Now all you need to do is publish it to your YouTube channel. And voila, you're set. You can check out this video for consistent character generations in Leonardo AI. Make sure to sub as I'll drop a video covering the AI canvas as well. See you in the next one.